Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be decorating my planner spread for the week of April 5th through the 11th in my mini size dashboard layout. So I'm actually filming this on Monday, March 29th. I am going to be using some flowers from the Flower Power Mega Stickerbook and then some coordinating stickers from Happy Plans. Happy Plans has quickly become like one of my absolute favorite go-to sticker books lately. And so let me show you. I'm going to be using these stickers that I believe are actually from the OG Planner Girl Socialite. So we'll see how I can use these in this spread. I did pre-choose some of my stickers. So I'm going to try to keep them off camera so you can't see exactly what I'm doing. But I'm going to start with this sticker and kind of just lay it here and start up here in this top corner like I usually do. So I apologize for my stuffiness. I'm sure that if you're watching this video, you've watched my other videos or are following me on Instagram, but I am dealing with COVID right now, so I'm like super tired and very stuffy, can't taste or smell anything, so I apologize for being stuffed up and kind of hard to understand. Alright, so I kind of want to, I know that this is a lot because this sticker is very similar to the florals up there, but I really like this pretty blue and I really wanted to bring it into my spread this week. So we're just going to put it over top of the florals. I'm going to white out some of these bullet points here. And then I want to layer just like this blank box where the bills to pay is, so that I can continue any kind of list that I may want to make for on the go. I'm not going to be whiting out a whole lot of like grid patterns and things like that down here. I'm just not even going to go there. I would like to find a quote. Well, actually I have the quote there. So I think maybe I'll come in here. I don't want there to be like too many flowers on this page. I'm trying to cover up this focus box down here. So I'm thinking that I may want to, actually let's try to find some other kind of little box that I can kind of stem over here and layer. I don't know how this is going to turn out. We'll see. So I'm thinking maybe layer this here. It's not too terrible. I don't know. This week's spreads may just be a flop, but I'm going to blame it on COVID because I'm just not feeling it 1000%. So we're going to put this flower over here to kind of fill in this space. And this sticker is totally crooked, but I am going to white out a little bit of, oh gosh. Alright, I'm going to get my undo because that's just really stuck. The undo just makes moving stickers so much easier. It is kind of hard to find though. Okay. Try to line this up straight now. I'm going to wait for that to dry. And so you can see right now it's wet, but it's going to be like miraculously dry here in just a minute. Alright, so that's cute. And then I can still use this down here if I need it. I'm not going to put anything down here. I'm going to Or am I? I don't know, you guys. Oh, I know what I could do. I can put washi down there. Washi always fills in gaps. So where is... We have this washi that sort of matches like the black dots back here. So we'll just put this down here. And it just fills in that spot that I missed with stickers. And then I think I'll put just a tiny bit up top. Okay. I don't know. I'm not feeling it, y'all. I'm not feeling it. Okay. Let's just go to the other side. Finish this off, and then hopefully next week I will be back to normal. Alright, so my plans for this side are to just rotate matching boxes. So this is my on-the-go planner. I don't really use it for a whole lot. So I can kind of go all out with decor. So we're going to go pink, blue, pink, blue. And then we're going to scatter a couple little flowers in here. And be finished. So I have this important header. I should have moved that box down. Let's do that. So for every little bluish colored box, I'm going to add a pink accent. And for every pink box, I'm going to add a bluish color accent. Just so that they all match. And we're going to try to put them in straight. I still don't think that that is straight. Moving on. Okay. So now we're going to put a pink on Friday. And we're going to move this one down here. And so I'm going to use the errands header because Friday is usually my errands day. Usually the day that I do grocery pickup. I will have to go 100% contactless. I usually help the people unload my, or load my groceries, but not this week. We won't be doing that. I always feel so rude if I don't help them, but I don't want to get them sick either. So I will be officially off of isolation on Sunday. Okay, now let's just put in a couple florals to match the other side, and then the spread will be pretty much complete. I'm going to put this down here in this corner just because I've got a lot of that over here on this side. And then I think I'm going to just go like right here with the blue. I don't want to cover up Friday. And then maybe right here with the pink. No, let's go up here. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not feeling it, y'all. Please forgive me. I'm not feeling it. That just looks silly to me. It's just going to have to look silly because it is what it is. Like I said on one of my other videos, this will definitely be a week to remember. A week that I had COVID and still got my videos out. Okay. I feel like I need like some more flowers or something over here because this is kind of pitiful. But I don't think that there's really much for me to choose from, to be honest. I mean, I could always... No, I don't want to do that. I do need an orange flower over here. So why don't we put an orange with the green? And then I could get one of those. Let's do this orange here. And then we're going to take this lighter pink and put it here. Just to kind of add some of these other colors in here. Okay, that's looking better. That is looking better. So I got this here. All right, I think I'm going to call this done. I'm going to put a little bit of washi over here so that our sides look similar, and probably be done with this spread. So let's see, I got washi on my top and bottom over there. Where does this washi start? I don't know where to put it over here. I think we will just put a little bit here. Where's my card? And then maybe just a little bit here. Okay. This looks crazy, y'all. Come on now. This is so not me normally. But y'all can say that you hung in there with me. Yeah, I don't like this here. We're going to get rid of this. Oh no, I just ripped my whole page. We're going to put this up here. And we're going to tear it sideways. And I got to get out of here. Alright, so I'm going to take my Tombow real quick. Fix this little rip. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so sorry about all of the not me being me this week, you guys. Hopefully next week I will be back to normal. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.